Hi friends, welcome to Rainbow Civil Service Academy. March 27th, 2021 ஓட current affairs பார்க்க போறோம். இந்த current affairs வீடியோ பார்க்கறதுனால TNPSC, பேங்க், SSC, RRB and போலீஸ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கான current affairs உங்களுக்கு கவர் ஆயிடும். ஓகே வாங்க current affairs வீடியோக்குள்ள போவோம். ISRO, IIST join hands for futuristic projects. Indian Space Research Organisation has joined hands with the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology for futuristic research orbit. IIST is situated at Thiruvananthapuram. It is deemed to be university under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956. It is an autonomous body functioning under Department of Space of Government of India. This institute was constituted by keeping in mind the need for high quality manpower in Indian Space Research Organisation. Global Wind Report 2021. Global Wind Report 2021 was published by the Global Wind Energy Council on March 25, 2021. As per the report, total global wind power capacity is up to 743 gigawatt now. This is helping the global to avoid over 1.1 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually. It is equal to annual carbon emissions of South America. World Development Report 2021. World Development Report Data for Better Lives was released on March 24, 2021. It examines tremendous potential and risks of changing data landscape for people living in lower income countries. World Development Report. It is a flagship publication from World Bank published since 1978. The report is considered as an invaluable guide for economic, social and the environmental state of world. Nat Health. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan addressed the 7th annual summit of Nat Health in virtual mode on March 26, 2021. The summit focused on Indian health system expansion in post-COVID era. Health for all is a top priority for current government, and to institutionalize the approach towards this goal, government has launched the National Health Policy in 2017. Pradhan Mantri Atmanirbhar Swasthya Yojana. This scheme was launched with the aim of strengthening health systems to meet challenges of COVID-19 pandemic and future pandemics. It also seeks to strengthen the expanding and building robust IT-enabled surveillance systems in order to track and contain spread of diseases. New assessment by IUCN on African elephants. African elephants living in forests and savannas are increasingly threatened with the extinction, following which conservationists have called for an urgent end to poaching. Data from IUCN cited that populations of savanna elephants from Africa are found in a variety of habitats which had decreased by around 60% over last 50 years. Number of forest elephants found in Central Africa had also fallen by 86% in 31 years. US hosted virtual climate summit. President of US Joe Biden has invited 40 world leaders including Pradhamar Narendra Modi for a US hosted virtual summit on climate in April 2021. Summit will be organized to underline the urgency and economic benefits of stronger climate action. US will also announce an ambitious 2030 emissions target as new nationally determined contribution under the Paris Agreement. US hosted summit will reconvene US-led major economics forum on energy and climate. This forum will bring together 17 countries which are responsible for 80% of global emissions and GDP. UK-US call for alternative to China's BRI. President of US Joe Biden and British Prime Minister Boris Johnson have asked the democratic countries to provide an alternative to China's infrastructure strategy called the Belt and Road Initiative. Belt and Road Initiative. It is a global infrastructure development strategy by Chinese development. Adopted in 2013 with the objective of investing across 70 countries and international organizations. These infrastructure projects include ports, railroads, roads, skyscrapers, airports, dams, and railroad tunnels. Shaheen 1A, Pakistan test fires nuclear-capable ballistic missile. Pakistan has successfully test-fired a nuclear-capable surface-to-surface ballistic missiles on March 26, 2021. Missile has a range of 900 kilometers. Surface ballistic missile with the aim of revalidating various design and technical parameters of weapon system, including the advanced navigation system. RBI extends curbs on PMC Bank till June 13. Reserve Bank of India has extended restrictions on withdrawals and deposits in Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank till June 30, 2021. This decision was taken as central bank is working to finalize an investor for scam hit multi-state cooperative bank. ISRO revises launch schedule of GISAT-1. Indian Space Research Organisation has revised the scheduled launch of geo-imaging satellite GISAT-1 on board GSLV F-10 rocket after a minor issue occurred with the spacecraft. Geo-imaging satellite or GISAT. GSAT is an Indian imaging satellite class for the geostationary orbit. It comprises of a high temporal resolution which helps in providing near real-time imaging along with fast revisit capability besides real-time monitoring. Two identical satellites will be providing resolution in range of 42 to 318 meter. It will also carry multispectral, multi-resolution imaging instruments. GESAT-1 is first state-of-the-art agile Earth observation satellite. It will be placed in a geosynchronous transfer orbit by GSLV F-10. World Theatre Day 2021. ITI centers and the international theatre community observes the World Theatre Day annually on March 27th. It raises awareness regarding changes which theatre brings in life. That's all about today's current affairs. Please subscribe our channel for more current affair videos. Thank you.